resembles a meticulously crafted piece of art. Smooth glaze texture complements the flowing line design. Unique horizontal brushed finish adds a touch of industrial chic. Paired with a solid brass faucet offering adjustable water temperature. No need for extra accessory purchases. Effortlessly achieving your desired style. The wall-mounted vanity design makes cleaning and tidying exceptionally convenient. What are our advantages? Constructed with honeycomb aluminum, it exhibits remarkable resistance to pressure and bending, and withstands the demanding bathroom environment, making it an ideal choice for your basin. The faucet features a solid brass body, enhanced with a brass-plated finish, boasting resilient construction, and a substantial, high-quality appearance. The ceramic wash basin is not only resistant to wear and corrosion, but also adds an artistic flair to the vanity. The PVC countertop excels in water and moisture resistance, readily meeting diverse daily needs. Available in single basin options, 80 centimeters and 100 centimeters. Or choose the double basin vanity style to add a touch of vintage charm to your bathroom.